Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you understand the differences between original and fake collagen lotion. First, always check the product's texture. Authentic lotion feels smooth and consistent, never lumpy or separated. Next, examine the ingredient list carefully. Real collagen should be listed prominently, often among the first few ingredients. Finally, inspect the packaging for professional seals and high-quality printing, as fakes often have poor craftsmanship. Using counterfeit collagen lotion can pose serious risks to your skin and health. These fake products often contain unregulated or even harmful ingredients that can cause severe irritation, allergic reactions, or other adverse effects. Furthermore, you'll likely experience no beneficial results at all, wasting your money and potentially damaging your skin. Always prioritize your safety by avoiding unverified sources. When you choose authentic collagen lotion, you invest in genuine skin benefits. Original products are formulated to significantly improve your skin's elasticity and hydration, leading to a smoother, more supple feel. They effectively help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a healthier, more youthful complexion over time. Experience the true difference with real collagen. To ensure you're getting genuine collagen lotion, always purchase from authorized retailers, reputable pharmacies, or the brand's official website. Be sure to read customer reviews and look for any product certifications or seals of authenticity. These steps help protect you from buying ineffective or harmful fakes. Also, for a great way to simplify your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.